the same as like in match. Definitely you will win, okay?
On your all punches, I saw your dream of winning the game. I'm sure you will win the national games. Then what? Commonwealth, Asian Games, Olympics.
Mike, if that has to happen, I have to get selected in tomorrow's game.
I don't have a doubt on it, but still I have a doubt.
What's your doubt?
Do you have any coaches apart from me?
Mike, what are you saying? You're my only guru. You're one of the best teachers.
Don't tell it now. After winning the game, tell it in the interview, okay? Tell, he is my master. He only taught me everything. I publish it and I will develop my market and I will purchase a double bedroom apartment and I will settle down.
All the best, Anjana.
Bye, Manju. Thank you.
Come on, go. Hey, where are you?
I'm at home, guru.
What are you doing there?
I'm making an omelette for myself.
Flyweight category is started. You're putting an omelette there? Your competitors are already here.
I'll be there, guru.
Oh my God.
Sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hey, stop! Hey, idiot! Are you blind? This is highly ridiculous. Don't you have brains at all? My ambition, my career, you have spoiled everything.
Hey, don't create a scene. It was just a cardboard house. Huh?
What? Cardboard house? This is a model house. Do you know the meaning of miniatures?
Hey, I don't have time for all this. When I'm free, I'll tell you. Come and explain everything to me then.
How dare you talk to me like that? I'm an architect. I have an interview today at a reputed company. If my plan gets selected, I'll get appointed. You have spoiled my career.
Hey, please don't cry. Please stand up. Please. I'm sorry. You will be giving a presentation in my company, right? Go there. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll stick everything and bring it there. Is that okay?
Pick up, bugger! Pick up the phone. God, what the hell?
Tell me, Manju. No. Next they are going to call me. I don't know what to do.
8x6, double door.
Yeah.
Thank
There
you so
go.
much.
It's done. Look, are you happy? Tell me.
Oh my God, the car park is on the first floor.
Oh no.
The kitchen is changed. Everything is wrong. This is not my plan at all. I don't know what I will do now.
Oh, what have I
It's
got
gone.
myself
My career
into?
is gone. It is all because of you.
I know.
I hate you. You have
I
ruined my
understand.
career.
Anjana, please come inside.
I'm not going. They'll think me a fool if I show this to them. That's it. Hey,
don't say
what
that.
are you doing?
Just come with me. Come.
Hey.
Heavyweight category, Arjun and Shah.
You wasted your chances.
What is this? Car park and kitchen on the first floor? Any confusions?
Yes, confusion. No confusion, sir. We have an explanation. Sir, this project is coming up in which area?
Velachery.
Velachery. Where in Velachery, sir?
Pungodinagar.
Pungodinagar. Based on it, we've made this whole plan, sir. When it rains, water stagnates there for 5 feet. Sometimes people travel in boats. When the situation gets worse, people leave the place. Or they wait till the water drains out. That's the reason. If the kitchen is on the first floor, you can cook your food, eat and be happy. What happens to a car engine when it rains? It gets spoiled. That's the reason the car parking's on the first floor. You know actor Chandra Babu? That was actor Chandra Babu's hit song. Sir, do you know where his car parking was? First floor, sir. Next to his bedroom. I'll explain in simple words. Nowadays, even in a toothpaste product, sir, they change the color, size and design, sir. We're building homes here. The people should like it and it should also be secure. That's the reason, ma'am, with a lot of difficulty, came up with this concept. Am I right, ma'am?
7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! Winner! Yeah!
I'm.
Hey, your idea has worked out perfectly. I'll get the appointment letter tomorrow morning. I can't believe this at all. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I blasted you when I was tensed. I'm really sorry. Joining a company like this was my dream. Won't you congratulate me?
Congrats. It is my dream to represent India in boxing. Today were the selections. I was on my way when I bumped into your project. The selections are over. Because I didn't make it on time, they removed my name from the list.
I'm sorry. Extremely sorry.
There's no point now. Everything's over.
No. Every problem has a solution, I'm sure. Come with me.
The selections are over. I have no chance.
Even I thought there was no chance. But didn't a miracle happen? At least let's try. Come with me now.
Guru, sorry, Guru.
Don't talk to me. You missed such a big opportunity. You will not get it back again.
Sir, the mistake was not on Arjun's side. It was my fault entirely. I'll tell it to you clearly. Now, is there a chance or not?
4 people are there in the selection committee. 3 people have already left. Only 1 is remaining there. Is he a minister or what? They will not organize it once again. Is it a school for accepting such a stupid reasons?
Where is Nandini, madam?
She is in the office. I have already spoken to her. She said no.
Ask heavyweight champion Mr. Rajesh to come meet me in the office tomorrow.
morning, madam.
Good morning.
Hi, madam. I'm Anjana. This sari suits you very much.
What do you want now?
There is a candidate called Arjun for the selection.
We've shortlisted the candidates. He didn't turn up today.
But he's here now, madam.
The selected list has been mailed to Delhi.
Please, madam, have a heart. His future will go.
You don't understand about this. There's no chance according to the rules.
There is a rule that you have to remain silent during national anthem. When a person tries to knife you, will you still remain silent? At the red signal, every vehicle has to stop. But when the ambulance and fire engine arrive, there is no reason to stop. When there is a will, there is a way. Please, madam. Please,
Hey,
ma'am.
what are you doing?
Ma'am,
Please
please,
get up.
ma'am. Will
Get
you
up
please
first.
do this for Arjun?
Okay, please get up.
ma'am. Please think of me as your daughter. He helped me. Please don't let me spoil his ambitions. It will stay on my conscience for the rest of my life. Please, madam, please.
Please get up first. I'm not supposed to disclose anything, but since you're asking me so much, Academic Chairman Mr. Vishwanath, I'll give you his address. I don't know if it's possible, but just give it a try.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
What the hell is happening, child? She is begging an opportunity for you? Who is she?
My lover.
Huh? Hey, she has got the appointment with the chairman, Mr. Vishwanath, already. Then why you want to travel to Kannur to meet the vice chairman?
If we go to Egmore station, our work will be done in 3 hours. He'll say bye-bye and leave to Mumbai. Kerala, Kannur. A 3-day trip. Beautiful place. No one will be there. Except me and her. That'll be my opportunity to propose her, coach.
Till date, you are telling that boxing is your ambition. Now you are saying that you have fallen in love with a girl? These youths are like this only. No steady mind at all. Every day you are changing your mind. You guys don't know what you want.
Oh, come on. If I have an ambition, doesn't mean I can't love someone. You gave your life for boxing. What happened? Half your life is gone, you're still the same. You've had multiple injuries.
Hey, I'm just 13 in one leg.
Yeah, okay, 39. You haven't left a single matrimonial site. When girls hear your age, they'll say sorry, bye-bye and
Hey,
leave.
come, let's go, come.
Wait a minute. I'm the one supposed to go, not you. Get down. Wish me all the best, coach. Hope I'm successful.
All the best. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take
Huh? Oh my god. I can see Anjana's panties. Anjana. I'm feeling sleepy. Can we switch off the lights?
Let me read for some time, then I'll sleep.
Oh god. How do I make her understand? It's really cold, right? Why don't you cover yourself?
I don't feel cold. You cover yourself.
Who is that? Oh.
My girlfriend's panties can be seen. What do I do now?
What I'm supposed to do at this time for you? That's a fashion bugger. It's already 12 in the midnight. Allow me to sleep.
There's a guy staring at her for a long time. No, she's gonna be my wife soon. I can't take this, coach.
Will you do one thing?
Huh? Tell me, coach.
Surely.
Yeah.
You won't change, right?
No.
Just disconnect the call.
Go. Idiot.
What?
1 second. That girl's panties can be seen. Please tell her. Hey, don't laugh.
Arun, that woman's underwear is seen. Ask her to cover herself.
Excuse me, sister.
Huh?
Your panties are seen. Please cover it.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Thanks. We are coming from Chennai. We want to meet Mr. Balakrishnan for an important reason.
Oh my god, he's in Chennai right now.
No, when we spoke to someone at the office, they said he's stationed at Kannur.
Someone has given you a wrong information. He'll be here tomorrow.
Oh.
We are equal, no status.
I'm a graduate from Coimbatore Arts College. I met my husband there. It's a love marriage. I learned Mohini. I'm a classical dancer. You both do one thing. You've come so far. So stay here. Tomorrow morning you can meet him and then leave.
Is there any hotel or lodge here?
Why a hotel? We have a guest house here. Brother, come here. Take them and show the guest house.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is amazing! Wow! Wonderful! It's wonderful! Yay!
You're a big industrialist's daughter, but you're really down to earth. You have no issues in coming the train. You're so simple. That's amazing.
When an earthquake occurred in Bombay, everyone came out and stood on the road. A cobbler on our street and I were equal then. Even life-saving drugs have an expiry date. But for us, we are equal, no status.
How's your father? Is he like you?
My father didn't become a big industrialist overnight. He worked very hard. He first had a construction business. There was a huge loss. To get out of that, he started the textile business. Even though he's a big shot in the textile business, he didn't do well in the construction business and he feels bad. That is why I took up the construction business for him. Me helping you like this is not because you helped me. That's not the only reason. Even if you succeed in some other field, because you didn't succeed in boxing, you will feel bad.
You talk so openly. I like it a lot.
Even you are open to me.
It's not like what you think, Anjana. There's something which I've been hiding from you.
What?
I've been wanting to tell you this from a very long time.
I'm very beautiful. You want to tell that?
No, nothing like that.
What? Am I not beautiful?
Okay. I was just kidding. Today is my birthday.
Really? Many, many happy returns of the day. I'm going to take you out today. Tell me where we'll go.
On the way, I saw a theater. Why don't we go for a good movie?
It's getting late. Mother will be searching for me. This is the heroine's dialogue. See? Yay! See? I told you!
I was very happy when I was with her. Her talk, her laughter. I liked everything about her. I was hoping I would spend the rest of my life with her. She was born for me. You don't like romantic movies?
Not love films. I don't like love.
Why are you saying that?
It has no meaning at all.
They say that love makes the world go round, and you don't like it?
Have you seen the people in love? You have to keep calling them repeatedly. Only then will they see you. Other than their lover, the whole world will be out of focus. They won't even have the patience to wait for a bus for 2 minutes. But for a kiss, they will wait even for 8 hours. Throughout the night, they will keep talking continuously without a break. So irritating. Then, in the morning, again they will start talking. Thank God, I'm not in love. I have been with you for 2 days. And only 2 phone calls till now. First call my dad called me. And then I called back. Had I been in love, I would have called 50 times and received 200 SMSs. Have you eaten? Have you slept? Did you brush your teeth? What color dress? What color nail polish? They will keep asking rubbish questions. I'll even have to tell the color of my kerchief. I'll have to tell everything, each and everything. So irritating it will be. I'll have to call him by cutie and dear. If I don't reply for even a single message, gone. What happened? Have you forgotten me? Do you love someone else? Don't you love me? Like this, I'll get 100 SMSs. If you ask me, for a girl, love is like tying 500 kilos of something heavy and walking. I want to walk freely without any weight. Okay? What happened? I understand you are scared about what Mr. Balakrishnan will tell you, right?
No, not like that.
Look there. This is a liquor shop, Kerala special. Let's relax, okay?
No way I can't go there.
You drink, right? You don't need to act for me. Be frank.
I don't drink regularly. I drink occasionally.
I'll drink along with you for your birthday. Come.
Hey, don't tell me you're gonna drink too.
Hello, I'm a teetotaler, okay?
Teetotaler.
Yes.
If you go to a blind man and ask him about colors, what will he say? You're just like a blind person. You know so much about love, but you haven't fallen in love. The God, devil, love, all are the same. As far you don't experience them, you won't be able to understand. But you know something? People who are in love, love is a wonderful feeling for them. But you know, when a father dies, a mother dies, a sister dies, a brother dies, a friend dies, when the people we love leave this earth, what do? We cry. But we'll never commit a suicide. But when a girlfriend's boyfriend dies or a boyfriend's girlfriend dies, you hear these suicide stories every day in the newspaper. If you take even today's newspaper, there's some guy who committed suicide because his girlfriend died. You know, in this world, there's nothing more precious than life. People who are in love don't value...
Super, brother. I also loved a girl, brother, but she deserted me, brother. What can I do, brother? Because I loved her and she left me. I am loving drinking, brother. I'm drinking, daily drinking, brother. All the time drinking. What you said is true, brother.
Crazy guy. He's heartbroken. Did you hear him? He said even if he has to die, he won't get married to any other girl. This is what I call true love. People go through a lot of problems. But when a couple overcomes all their problems and get married, it's something out of this world.
Superb.
Thank you. If you don't mind, can I ask you something?
What is it?
I'm really hungry. I want something to eat. Also, can I have one more drink, please? Just one, please. Thank you. Hey! Where are you going? This is the way to the bus stand.
No. This is the way. I remember the route.
Please. Let's not take this route. Let's go that way. I don't want to take this path.
Why?
Look over there. There's a dog. I'm really scared of dogs.
You're a boxer and you're scared of dogs?
Only you know that I'm a boxer. It doesn't know. I don't want to go this way. I'm scared. Let's go that way.
Hold my hand.
No, please.
Hold my hand now.
Oh no.
1,
The dog's getting up.
2.
I'm scared he's gonna bite me. Please listen to me. Let's go from here, please. Oh no, it's coming towards us.
See, I told you.
Please. Can you please sit down? I'm feeling really bad. Please
Hey,
sit down.
no, it's okay. It's fine.
It's really wrong to make a girl stand. Please sit down, please.
No formalities. Sit.
Anjana, please sit down, please.
You just want me to sit, right? Can you bear 58 kilos? Now is it okay?
Hello?
Guruji, when she smiles, she's so beautiful. When she doesn't smile, also she's beautiful.
Where are you, child?
She's sleeping on top of me. I'm sleeping under her.
It's really wrong before the marriage, child.
Guruji, you're mistaken. You're getting it all wrong. She's sleeping on the first floor and I'm sleeping on the ground floor.
Okay. Did you propose to her?
If I propose her, I don't know what she'll say. I'm really worried. I'll propose her in the morning.
Happy Diwali!
This is not the time to play.
I like to give egg once in a week for lunch in government schools. Similarly, these guys create a havoc once a week. Just like shooting goes on and about it. It's so casual here. Last week there were 7 people. Now only 5 people are left. I don't know who's gonna die today. Come, let's go from here.
I'll tell Ramana sir and leave.
Hey, are you taking permission to go to the toilet? You're trying to escape death, you fellow. Come on.
Don't leave him! Shoot him up! Light him up! Shoot! Hey you! Hey! Hey!
I don't know anything. Leave me.
Shall I kill you? Ramana, tell me! I'll shoot him!
No,
I'll shoot him!
don't kill me. If Govardhan knows this, no one will be alive.
Govardhan! We left him that day. We should have killed him that day itself.
I will definitely kill him. Make a note. Hey, it's bleeding.
Hey, go! Just go!
Hey, go. Hey, the guy who was sitting here, where is he now?
Brother, Romeo, where are the...
Hey, shut up. Tell me what happened.
I smacked him and asked him to get out of here. By now he must have left the state only.
He should be here in next 10 minutes.
Suddenly I can hear Doordarshan music. My dear animal, what did sir say?
If he don't come here in 10 minutes, we'll kill you definitely.
Kill you definitely is your dialogue, right? I'll ask the Blue Cross guy to come and get you. Move aside.
Brother, give me an egg. Give me an egg.
My dear friend, why are you asking him for an egg? You want an egg, right? Just come with me. I'll get you biryani itself.
You're still alive.
You thought I'll be gone in the gang war, is it? Oh, you care about me so much.
Why do you look so tense? Did Ramana shout at you?
He slapped me. If you want to read his palm, you don't have to go look for his hand. You can read it on my cheek. All the lines will be visible.
You got beaten bad.
How can you be so happy about it? Come with me.
Where?
Ramana's asked for you. If I don't take you with me, he'll kill me.
Oh, okay. Pay the money and come.
Hey, this guy will never change. He drinks, he eats, I have to pay for it. How much for it?
20 rupees.
Hey, it's you! Hey, why are you laughing like a goat?
You are still here? I thought you're a sweeper in your native.
I wish I could beat the hell out of this guy.
What's Sandeep, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
How is your business?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me a dosa. Hey,
Oh,
Dilly,
okay,
how are
sir.
you?
Hey, don't ask cash from that cop. Like every time he'll eat for free. Understand?
I don't see you near market anymore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Brother, I am so hungry. Can you give me 2 idlis?
Okay. Why do you do like this? See, that day
that's
you
okay,
did
that's
like that and now I'm very good.
I don't have money. I'll give you later. Kindly adjust.
ऐसे फोकट का खाने से तुम मर सकते हो.
Sir, what is he saying?
Don't eat without paying money. It is better to die.
अच्छे परिवार में पैदा होने वाले कोई भी फोकट में नहीं खाता. पता नहीं
What is he
कहाँ
saying
कहाँ
now,
से चले
sir?
आते हैं.
A family who was born in good family will not eat it for free.
ऐसा बेशरम काम करने से अच्छा है कि मेरा पाँव धो के पानी पियो.
What is he saying now, sir?
It is better to be ashamed and drink the water from his feet.
Now, we are the only 2 guys who are eating here.
Yes.
After eating, I shall pay the money. See,
Right.
here's the money. So, I'm not eating for free.
Okay.
So, somebody is eating for free here.
Hey!
Come on, people. You now can look at his face for the last time. Have you seen it? Okay, now I'm gonna cover it.
Sit down. It's very common here. In the next day morning, did you propose to her? What she said?
The next morning, I was waiting for her.
Good morning. Balakrishnan sir has arrived. I got the information.
Even if you meet him, I don't think it might work out.
Why are you speaking like this?
I met him 2 days ago in Chennai.
What?
I believed you very much. You didn't attend the selection. Weren't you upset or not? I was upset. You're 27 years old. Next time you cannot participate in the same category. Don't you know that? The selection is over and the final list has gone to Delhi. Even the sports minister cannot change anything now. You've lost a chance of your career.
So, after seeing Balakrishnan sir, you knew nothing would happen for you. Yet you brought me here.
That's because I wanted to tell you that I'm in love with you. I wanted to tell you this alone.
What? How dare you? Who do you think you are? You can't cheat me like this. Do you think I'm a dog? Do you take me everywhere with you? Like a fool, I fell at the feet of everyone. Oh my God. I thought you were a special person with lots of ambition. But, just like everybody else, you're an ordinary guy who falls in love with any girl who comes near you.
Anjana, please don't get angry.
I don't want to look at you.
Anjana, please don't. Anjana, please listen to me. You really don't know how much I like you. I think you're a really nice person. I couldn't make it for the selection. It's a big blow for me, but I didn't take it seriously. But if you say no to me, I seriously won't be able to take it. Love is the most beautiful thing in the world. If you leave me and go, I'll be heartbroken. It's all destiny. Why did we meet in the first place? This was all bound to happen, Anjana. Why did you want to help me? It's all fate, Anjana. There's something between us. I don't know how to make you understand, but I love you a lot. If you say yes to my love, I'll keep you very happy.
Are you done talking? I don't like to hurt anybody. I feel bad that I blasted you that day. But now you're talking about love in the heart, etc., etc. But none of that has happened to me. I have only 2 words to tell you, okay? Goodbye.
Anjana, please. Anjana, please don't leave. Listen to me. Please. Anjana, please don't go. Please, listen. Tomorrow morning, I swear I'll come and stand at your doorstep. Anjana, please understand, I can't live without you.
Even after I have been out of town for 1 month, when I go home, my father will not ask me anything. That is the trust and belief he has on me. Just like that, I will marry any guy that my dad chooses for me to marry. That is the belief. That is the respect I give him.
If that's your problem, take me to your father. I'll talk and convince him. I'll make sure that your father gets you married to me, okay?
Okay, I'll take you to him. But if he doesn't want you to be his son-in-law, you should not talk to me on any account, okay?
Hello.
Hello. I'm the Assistant Commissioner Tiwari speaking.
Okay, tell me.
I am standing underneath your office.
Office?
That's right. I'm standing underneath your office.
See, that assistant commissioner is here now. Why he is coming here? You should have given to him. What do you want? Why you came here? Go.
Don't worry, brother. Nobody can do anything to me. This whole Mumbai is in my pocket. Hey, you've put on weight. You're gonna explode anytime. Ravana, why don't you keep him on diet from here? Adios.
Did you meet her dad? What he said?
He told me to meet him at a restaurant in the evening. I went there half an hour before the time I was supposed to meet him.
Arjun,
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
so you love my daughter.
I didn't know that she was your daughter. After I fell in love with her, did I come to know that she's your daughter?
Nice reply. I'm not going to ask you any questions. I'm going to give my reply straight.
Sir, please.
You look handsome. Your communication is good.
Thank you, sir.
But I don't like it. You have helped my daughter. And for that, I am ready to do anything for you. Do you want to set up any industry in Mumbai? Or do you want a job in a top MNC company? Tell me whatever you want. I'm ready to do it. But I cannot give you my daughter.
Sir, please try to understand.
This is your flight ticket to Chennai and there is some money too. Have a good trip, my son. Anjana, let's go. Anjana, are you sad about my decision? Are you?
No, father, I'm not sad.
Sir, 1 minute, please. We like some people instantly, but there are some people we like only after we start moving around with them. Please give me some time. I'll
Won't you
convince
understand, my son? You know
sir,
who we are speaking to? Do you know my influence in Mumbai?
our father died right in front of my eyes. He got shot.
Father! 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 Father!
If he was alive, I would have convinced him somehow and got married to Anjana. After he died, I made a decision not to see Anjana anymore. I went to her house to say sorry to her and also to tell her that I wouldn't trouble her again.
You take care. Bye.
Hereafter, I'll never trouble you. I'll never come in your path again, Anjana. You have to overcome this situation. I want to see you smile and laugh again. Okay? I'll take leave now.
1 minute. I want to marry you. But you should do something. You should put the man who killed my father in jail. Even if I make him stand before the law, he will break all the rules and escape. He has so much of power. He has to accept before the law that he killed my father and surrender by himself. Is that possible? Can you make him surrender? If you do that, I'll definitely marry you.
Who killed her father?
Please start moving around with them. Please give me some time.
When Govardhan decided to kill us all, we have to be more and more active.
I'll convince
Neither
her.
I have time for this, nor she has.
Start the vehicle.
So,
You know whom we are speaking to?
Govardhan!
now tell me, do you want to go to the police and surrender yourself? If you do that, she'll marry me. What do you say, Ramana? Go.
You're nothing but a goon, Ramana! Have you loved anyone? Has any girl rejected your love in your life? Tell me, Ramana! Tell me!
If you come back, you will die.
Ramana, I don't care how big a man you are. I'll make sure that you go to the jail.
Have you loved anyone? Has any girl rejected your love in your life?
Ramana? Ramana! You leave now, I'll come in a taxi.
Okay, madam.
Ramana! I'm coming! How are you?
You said that you won't meet me at all? I haven't died. See, I'm still alive.
But I'm dying every day. I made a mistake. I did a mistake which every girl does. I had the courage to stay in love, but didn't have the courage when my parents came to know. It all died. If I had to get married to you, I would have lived like a queen. I'm paying through my marriage life for breaking our love. My life is hell, Ramana. My husband is a huge businessman in this place. But he's the saddest inside. He tortures women and gets happiness out of that. He's torturing me, Ramana. I'm really scared if he'll kill my baby. We can share our feelings only to a person who's close to our heart. The moment I saw you, I felt like talking to you. The anger you have on me Is it with my kid as well? Don't you want to touch her? Don't you want to know if it's a girl or a baby boy? Here. Hold her.
Oh, okay. I'll tell him. I'll tell him, man. John called. Party is coming from Congo. Meeting is at Zoo Plaza.
Not there now. I'll say the meeting point. Let them come after my call.
Hey, what are you doing here?
What's the noise, man?
Get out of this place.
Just leave from here.
Just get out of here.
Leave me. Don't stand here. Just leave.
Get out.
Hey,
Look at him, brother. Already we warned him. But now he's trying to see you.
what do you want? Huh?
You have to surrender.
I only killed that old man. Go and complain in any police station. Go.
There is no eyewitness in the case. Go and surrender yourself right now. I know that you won't do it, but you have to, Ramana.
You know that, right?
What, Ramana, you are talking to these people? Just say yes, and I'll kill him.
If I see you next time, I'll definitely kill you myself.
You'll cut me here? Huh? Or you'll cut me here?
What? Are you making scene here? Cutting there will not kill you. You have to cut here. Then only you will lose your life. Hey, come on, look at him, yeah.
Hey, come, fast. Yeah,
Quick.
yeah, let's go.
Look at me. Hey. Hey guys, come on, talk to him. Hey, come on, be conscious. Huh? What is her name? Tell me now. What is her name? Anjana. What she said? Did you met her? Huh? What she said? Where you met her?
Gateway of India. Gateway of India.
Gateway of India?
She was waiting for me. Hi.
Hi.
Just like we thought, Ramana is not an ordinary man. He's a very big criminal. He has a lot of people to support him. I don't think he will surrender himself to the police. Anjana, I'll keep
you know? How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hi.
I read about your father's demise. I wasn't in town, so I couldn't come. I'm very sorry.
It's okay, uncle.
Who is he, this handsome boy?
Arjun. I'm going to marry him.
Hello. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Thank you.
I'll come home sometime. Bye, Anjana.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Anjana.
Bye. Are you surprised? However much I cry and scream, my father's not going to come back. Why should I strain myself? Let's be happy from now on. You want only me, right? Take me.
Anjana?
I've had a wish for a very long time. To go on a road trip on a bike. I asked my father. He said he doesn't know to drive a bike. But he asked me to go with my husband after marriage. And you've arrived. Shall we go?
Anjana, are you serious?
Don't say anything. Shall we go? Arjun, I've spent the whole of today with you. How do you feel?
I feel very happy, Anjana. Today is one of the best days of my life. I'm very happy.
I have just spent one day with you and you feel so happy. If you want this happiness for the rest of your life, make Ramana surrender. Until the end of my life arrives, I'm ready to be with you.
I want Anjana. You have to surrender.
He's torturing you, right? Even in a critical situation, he's talking rubbish about you. But you tried to save him in a hospital. Ramana, tell me where she is. I will definitely kill her and get her to you. Due to her, he's torturing you, right?
Hey, shut! Don't you feel ashamed for hurting a girl? Hey, Arjun, where is that girl now? Tell me. I'll meet her. I'll explain it as an accident. I'll definitely convince her. I'm sure I will definitely. For that, you should be alive.
What,
Come
brother?
on.
Why you are so kind of him? South Africans are ready to deal a business about 25 crores.
Arjun.
You are wasting the time for him. I won't leave him.
Hey, do you know who is? He's Ramana's brother.
Please save me, Dad.
What is happening? To my son? Hey, son, come on, where is he?
Baby,
Someone
don't
come
get
and
scared. Dad is coming.
Hey, stop the vehicle. Hey, drop him from the vehicle now.
We go to hospital, Ramana. He's your brother.
Hey, get him down.
Brother, the hospital is just nearby.
Get in now. Hello.
Hey, you'll be alright. Hey, don't worry. Hey, where's the doctor? Come. Doctor. My friend, cut his hand. Blood's coming out. Please do something. Help me.
This is a criminal case. You should file an FIR.
Doctor. We don't have time for that, doctor. Whatever you prescribe, I'll get it from your own pharmacy. I promise.
Out!
Hey, big boss.
Have you called me?
Shut up. I'm just trying to say a dialogue. Just let me be. Hey, big boss. Ask what's his name.
What's your name?
What?
Where does he live and how many children does he have? Ask him.
What's your address? How many children are there for
Why
you?
are you asking all this? I don't understand.
Hey, what happened to him? He's just sounding like a rooster.
I don't know.
Hey, wait a minute. Let me see if I can find somebody to threaten him. Sir, please try to understand. My dear Shakespeare, please help him. Otherwise, oh my
Please,
God.
sir, don't worry. Nurse, get the emergency water
Oh,
ready.
please go, Shakespeare.
Brother, Ramana is going to finish the meeting. If he knows that we are not there, then gone case.
Bye.
Hello. How are you, brother?
Hi.
You like the nurses or should we change the hospital? How are you? Oh, is it paining? Here, have some milk. You're trembling so much. Maybe this will help.
What are you people doing in the hospital?
Doctor, do you have BP? Why are you so worried? Master player.
Hey, don't
Yeah,
touch
go
me.
ahead.
I'll break your bones.
Hey, super. Wow,
check
you're the
this
best. You're the
out,
champion of the world. See, they are shaking hands. What sportsman spirit?
Just because you are very powerful, don't think you can do anything to me, okay? Understand that first. You are a very wicked man. Shit!
Hey, you. Come here. Come here. What's your name? Where do you live?
Sir. He's Ramana's younger brother.
What? Ramana's brother. Same eyes, same nose. Anyways, I'm Ashok Tiwari.
Ramana, whatever you said, Arjun is your brother.
Don't talk about him now, okay?
He's alive, right?
Hey, shut your mouth. Not like that, Ramana. Someone had taken him to the hospital and saved him. That's what he tried to say. That fellow, ready to give his life for that girl. That is true love.
We did many things. Then we'll do one thing. I accept that I killed her father, and I'll surrender to the police. As per his wish, let him marry that girl and let him be happy. After 1 week or 10 days, take me out from the jail, okay?
Ramana, super Ramana. We are trying to say this. Yesterday I saw our lawyer. If anyone by chance gave a case against this, he said it won't work out.
We can take him within 10 days, right?
Yeah, we can take him. We can take him.
Hey. Ramana, this is Govardhan area, Ramana.
I know.
They will kill us, man. Listen to me.
I'll take care.
Listen to me, Ramana. Just flip the vehicle.
Hello.
Govardhan, it's me, Ramana. You want me to kill me, right? I'm here only now. Just near to your home only.
Hey, get your weapons. Let's get this guy today.
Get down.
Ramana.
If you're not getting down, I will definitely kill you.
I'm not gonna spare him today.
Hey, stupid fellow, where have you come from? I supported you, but I got nice beatings from them. I can't believe that I'm still alive.
What
Oh
happened?
God, my head is paining.
I don't understand.
Oh, God.
All animals. I just bought the vegetables now. Now only you're hungry, is it? What is this? You're crying for my food now. Just imagine if a good cook comes, you leave all the rowdyism and you'll be sitting in the kitchen only. What is this? You come, you listen to all his stories, and then you eat your food, and then you go away. Would any of you go to Ramana and tell him, hey, anyway, he's your brother. There's nobody for him apart from your brother. Would you even tell that to him? Hey, are you even listening to me?
Hey, stupid, he lost his ears.
Hey, I know you get hungry very fast, but why did you eat his
Why
ears?
should I bite? They did like so. You always talking rubbish.
The topmost structure is almost over. We should be done in 2 more days.
What's remaining now?
The lift has to still be.
Hello.
We have trapped Ramana. Call Govardhan.
Boss, Ramana was trapped.
Don't let him go. Kill him then and there itself. His death should be so horrendous.
that anybody should get scared.
If I want, I can tell them you're here. All of them are armed. They'll kill you and bury you here. You tried to kill me when I was young, but I escaped somehow. But now I feel I should have died. You don't know how much I miss Anjana. You'll never be able to understand my pain because of you. I have to go through all this.
Arjun, I need your passport. Both of us are going to Australia. I have arranged for both the tickets and visa. We are going there, getting married and having a child. We are settling there. I have arranged all this through my friends. Here you go.
Anjana?
I'm telling you seriously. You were the one who told me that it's difficult to make him surrender. We don't have a choice now. Don't think about it. Go shoot him. I'm not able to digest the fact that a person who killed my father is living happily. Do this. Why are you hesitating? I know you. You won't shoot him. You cannot shoot him. Because Ramana is your brother.
It's true that Ramana's my brother. But I'm not playing games with you.
You want him and you want me. I don't want Ramana to die in a couple of seconds. He should suffer for the rest of his life. That is my wish.
Anjana, please understand.
You promised to make him surrender, but you have cheated me. When a girl you love dies before your eyes, you'll understand the pain only when I die.
Anjana! Anjana!
Hey,
Please,
stop it!
please, listen to me, please, listen. I'm not fooling or cheating you. I cut my hand and I was almost about to die. What about that? He tried to kill me when I was young. I don't care about him. I want you. Please believe me.
Madam, I need 10 rupees more.
Where are you going, Anjana?
To some small corner of this world. I'm not telling you the place.
You are very angry. I'll call you and talk to you later, okay?
From now on, I will not call you at all. Now, the only connection between you and me is the SIM card. From now on, you can't see me or talk to me. When Ramana gets arrested, it will be broadcasted. I will see that news and then come and see you myself, okay?
Anjana, please don't do this.
No, this is needed.
Anjana, I can't be without
You
seeing
can't,
you.
right? Then do it. Do what I told you to.
ट्रेन नंबर 12137 पंजाब मेल अपने निर्धारित समय से 2 घंटा देरी से चल रही है। धन्यवाद।
What's that announcement?
The train I'm waiting for is 2 hours late. You can leave, Arjun.
I don't know when we'll see each other next. I want to spend the next 2 hours with you. Please.
Bye. I'm leaving.
1 minute, Anjana. I'll leave before you leave. I don't know where Anjana is right now. I miss her a lot. I want her back. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. For that, you have to surrender. If not, I'll tell them you're here.
Hey! I'm here only. Come on, guys!
Hey, he's up there. Let's go. Come on, come on.
I'm not the same Ramana as the young age. I'm a different person now. Do you know my range in Mumbai? Complete harbor is in my control. I'm a king in real estate also. 17 business, 10 illegal, 7 legal. Ramana is a king here. So for someone, you want me to get surrendered and imprisoned, right? Get back to your place immediately. Else, you will die.
Don't know how many more days you have to suffer like this. By now, you should have become a big chef.
I very well know that you're trying to brainwash me. Tell me what's the issue.
Okay, I'll tell you everything. If you want to escape from these guys, I'll give you a superb idea.
Hey, I had 101 ideas, but nothing worked out. I don't think I have any other way but work here. If I idea out, I'll get beaten up.
Hey, first listen to me. If Ramana goes to jail, what will you do?
I'll cook for one less person.
Shit! If Ramana goes to jail, the gang will split. Then you'll be a free man.
Huh?
Oh.
What should I do for that?
I need Ramana's phone for half an hour.
Hey, do you think that's a rented cycle to get that for half an hour? If he comes to know, I'll be chopped into pieces. Here we go, 1 rupee. Why don't you go use a payphone? I cannot steal his phone.
Hey, just do it, man.
What is this, man? For you to be with your girlfriend, why should I bleed?
Stop acting like a jerk. Don't you want to be rich? Don't you want to make it big out there? Listen to me when I'm talking to you. When people hear your name, they should be proud you're born in India.
Okay, I will.
Yes.
Get the cell phone.
Good.
But one thing, dude, it's because of you guys who brainwash poor people and get them into trouble all the time.
We don't have time. Go, hurry up!
I can't see any animals. How come they kept a gun on the table and just left it like that?
Don't leave him. Just beat him badly. He won't be alive forever.
Why are you shouting?
Look, brother, he have cheated us whom we believed. I won't leave him.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Brother, I thought I'll wash the utensils and make some more food, and then I'll wash the utensils again, and
What happened?
I couldn't do it. Why did you hit me?
You can't get even his mobile phone?
Hey, not that one, dude. I couldn't run anymore. I'm breathing heavily. Here's the cell phone.
Oh, sorry.
The one who discovered sorry, I feel like smacking him. Oh. What? Are you looking for a girl's number? He doesn't have such habits.
Auditor Muralidharan's number.
Why do you need his number?
Hello?
All my documents, as on date, totally. Second channel, bank accounts, properties, documents. Get all the details in a pen drive and come to my office now.
Sir, what you're saying is a very serious thing. If the higher officials get to know about this, we'll be in very big trouble. Please tell your assistant Money to come and see me.
I have sent money to Andhra for a purpose. Whatever it might be. Come to my office, sure.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Hey, I didn't know you could mimic people.
If I speak through my nose, I'll sound like Ramana, that's all.
So if you scratch your nose, will you sound like Amitabh Bachchan? Hey, don't blabber unnecessarily. I planned it accordingly. But there's a fault in your plan.
What?
Now that money animal is in Mumbai, and if that auditor has a doubt, he'll call Money, don't you think so?
You're right.
Just wait. Now I will start mimicking people.
Hey, I forgot my cell phone. Turn the vehicle.
Hey, shh. Ramana. Tell me, Ramana.
Hey, you need to travel now to Andhra immediately. You can find a TTR there with the black box with him. Go to him and tell that it will rain on Friday.
If I said like that?
On Thursday itself, he will take all the precaution steps for that immediately. Idiot. This is the code word. Tell this to him and get the box with the diamonds and come here, okay?
Okay, brother.
Go, baby, go. You'll get shot over there. Success. Here.
Hey, go and keep it back in Ramana's room.
Hey, what are you saying? Keep it back in his room. Instead, I wouldn't mind putting my head under a truck. I'm not his wife to go to his room often. I cannot do all these things.
Do it or you'll get into trouble.
Why should I?
Because it has your fingerprints on it. Too bad, you should have worn gloves, my friend.
Hey, what do you think I'm going to operate him for piles? That I should wear gloves and all? Tell me honestly. Do you want to get Ramana trapped or me trapped? Is that your plan? Tell me.
Ramana might come back anytime. Go and keep the phone. Go.
You forgot your cell phone. I thought I'll get it to you from the backyard, and then I went to the front yard. I couldn't know.
Hey, shut.
Forgive me.
Give me the phone.
Here's your cell phone.
Hey, close the door.
Okay, but come soon.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
Money, where are you?
Ramana told me to go to Andhra. What's the matter?
Nothing. Bye.
We are from the income tax department. Vigilance. Give me the pen drive.
I don't have any pen drive with me, sir.
We have correct information.
Please cooperate with us.
Give me the pen drive now. Give me now.
You have to come with us for the inquiry.
No.
No,
Phones are not allowed.
Phones are not allowed.
Not allowed.
Come with
Let's
us.
go.
Come with me.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Ramana's brother, what are you doing here? Did your brother ask you to give me something?
Yes. You took money from my brother and you're trying to cheat him? You complained against him and called for a raid? How can you do this? Aren't you ashamed? Ramana's very angry on you. Here, speak to him. Talk!
Ramana.
In the name of Recreation Club in Mumbai, there are 16 clubs. What do you do over there?
High-level gambling. Did I get you all the license for those? Harbor Louis Clitos, ganja, heroin, electronic items and other things.
It is because of me that these things come to your godown safely.
Hi,
Why
guys.
should I do such things to you?
32 SIs, 8 AC.
3 DCs.
Everybody's taking money.
Any of them must have given your details. I don't know. Ramana,
I didn't do it.
believe me, Ramana.
This is more than sufficient for me.
Now you're watching Assistant Commissioner Mr. Ashok Diwari's bungalow. The bungalow is situated in a very expensive place in Mumbai. This bungalow is around 3 crores of worth. A police inspector who earns around 70,000 per month lives in this luxurious bungalow which is worth of 3 crores. How is it even possible?
Sir, police means some dignity, right? I thought he will shout on us for
That's right.
not working well, shamelessness, but he's giving us buffet.
Hey, before they slaughter an animal, they feed them, right? It's that way.
Mr. Matthews,
Yes, sir.
how many from our department are working for Ramana and his gang?
Sir, currently I'm inquiring Tiwari. In 2 days, we will get to know about how many people are involved. We will dismiss everyone.
Have?
Yes, sir.
Just dismissal will not benefit us. We should check their bank balance, extramarital affairs, properties, and seize whatever we want. How are you, Mr. Thomas Katabarambu? Be careful what you eat. You have sugar complaint.
How do you know that, sir?
I was in Trivandrum for 5 years.
Oh, that's great, sir.
Sir, I'm from Nagarcoil.
On the border.
Sir, actually, what we have to plan.
Let's speak about our towns. Let's enjoy the memories.
Fantastic, sir.
Sir, what's our next plan?
First step. From a constable to an officer, whoever gets bribed must be arrested and you have to arrest them. Don't ask for my permission, okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, in Mumbai, the word underworld should never exist.
Sir, in fact, you're very correct, sir. But, sir, you're new here. Here, half of the criminals have political influences. So, we can't touch them easily, sir.
How many people have you scared by saying this? Ramana Govardhan. Nobody owns this place. Mumbai must be clean.
Sir, secretly we are planning to encounter Ramana. But the report came into media somehow. Now if we encounter Ramana and release the corrupt officers list in our department, the media will kill our department, and that's a bad remark. Now he might escape, sir. But anyhow, according to our department, nothing's gonna change.
First, arrest Ramana. And if somebody comes in support, even if it's a phone call, arrest that guy too. His office. Go down, smuggling in the name of governments. Raid all those places and seal them. And this should start from this minute.
Okay, sir.
What, Thomas? Am I right?
Definitely, sir.
What, boys? Are you all ready?
Ready, sir.
Close all the entrances. He shouldn't escape. Come on. Fast. Come on, lock it. Hey, seal that place.
Hey, don't go behind me. Go that way. Go. Hey, shut. Stop. Hey, don't come. I'll cut you, sir. I'll cut you all.
Brother, don't kill me.
Ramana, for some days you don't call me. I too won't call you.
Just listen my...
Problem is going worse. They are listening us. Just cut the call now.
He showed his political intelligence.
We should stop everything for some days. We have lost many people on our side. To be true, we should be very careful.
Which police taught you like that now? Tell me on my face now! Change to an approver. We will withdraw all the cases on you. Huh? Tell me. When are you going to surrender? Tell me!
Are you doubting me, Ramana? I have worked with you for so many years, Ramana. Don't pull my shirt. Go grab the shirt of your brother. Today, if you are like this, he is the only reason. He threatened the assistant commissioner and used your name, and everything came into the media. That's the reason new commissioner came. Audit arrest, IT raid, sealing of our company, every reason is he. And today you are all alone. He is the only reason. Grab him and ask, why did you do this to me? Shit!
What happened, Ramana? This is surprising. You're calling me up.
You will be alive until I see you. If I see you, you will die.
Hey, you can't do anything to me, Ramana. Nobody's going to get scared of you anymore. Stop hiding, Ramana, and surrender yourself. I've set the traps. You can't escape anymore. You don't have a choice but to surrender.
Welcome, Assistant Commissioner, sir. Is it an encounter? Shoot here, then only I will die.
What is this, Ramana? When I'm here, why are you worrying so much?
That's what I'm supposed to do. You have encountered 4 people of mine. And also you have arrested 12 people. 8 are in hospital now. Few people have escaped from here.
It is not just your gang that we took action on. Govardhan's gang too. He's not alive, you know that, right? That commissioner is a very strict man. He wants to arrest you at any cost. Just listen to me with a cool mind. How long will you stay like this? Why don't you go abroad? Don't come to Mumbai for 2 to 3 years.
Tell me how? You want me to get out from here? Instead, I'll die here.
Hey, try to understand, Ramana. Just for few days. In 2 years, commissioner will go off. Next, I'm going to be promoted to that position. And then it's your kingdom here. Who's going to ask you anything? And that is why...
What do you say? If he is getting transferred, you will be the next commissioner.
According to your seniority, I'm the one.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Then why we have to wait until he is getting transferred?
Hey, what are you saying?
I'll kill that police commissioner. Tomorrow itself.
What? Are you kidding me? If commissioner dies, there'll be a lot of problems. You know that, right?
I will take care of that. You will be Mumbai's new police commissioner.
Mumbai commissioner. Sounds good.
Ramana, if you want to kill the commissioner, this speed won't do. Press the accelerator. Only then will you be able to kill the commissioner. By chance your plan doesn't work out and the commissioner escapes, the police won't leave you. They'll kill you. You've increased the speed? Concentrate, Ramana, concentrate. Come on, you can do it. Wait and watch, Ramana. You'll press the brakes now. You don't get it, right? I'll explain it to you now. The boy who you raised is sitting next to the commissioner. What's his name? Praveen. Yeah, Praveen.
Constable, stop the vehicle.
Hello, sir. My bike got punctured. Chotu has his exams. He'll miss his exams. Can you please drop him at Jawad Vidyalaya? It's on the way. Goregaon.
Okay, get in.
Thank you so much, sir. Get in. Sir, thank you, sir.
I'm the man.
Ramana, increase the speed.
Come on.
No, Ramana, no. Stop hitting me, Ramana.
You have made a mistake.
What mistake I have done? When I was done, I was here. No one saved me. See, these people only saved me here. I struggled a lot to come here. Ramana means fear. Ramana means power. Such a big shot I am. He changed a lot because of a girl. What's gonna happen if he lives here?
No, brother. He's a good guy. He's better than you and me. What are you talking dumbstruck love? You see some girl and then get stuck onto her for whole life. Why? You can't live without that girl, is it? If she's not there, there's somebody else. You're young. You've got more life ahead. Don't spoil your life for a girl.
Buddy, it's not like what you think. You know why I came to Mumbai? Ramana left home when he was 10 years old. We couldn't find him. We missed him every single day. We waited for him, but he never returned. We didn't know where he was. We prayed he returned. We tried looking for him everywhere, but we didn't get any information. After a few days, I saw this article in India Today about him. I was happy, but I was also sad because he had turned into a gangster. The police are after him. They won't leave him alive. I feel one of the reasons he became like this is because of me. Deep down inside, I felt very bad. That's the reason I came here to Mumbai. You know, when I saw him,
Govardhan!
I wanted to make him understand that he too had a family and that we miss him. But he has changed completely. He's not the person I knew. When I was collecting all the details about him, I got to know something about him.
Ramana.
Shut! What are you saying? Playing with a kid like this?
I realized he had a good side to him too. He was bringing up a boy who did not belong to him. He was bringing up the child of his ex-lover. When I got to know about it, I came up with a plan in my mind. Can I tell you something? I didn't love anybody. The reality is, there's no girl called Anjana. The story which I told Ramana, I made it up.
What are you saying?
Yes, I cooked up that story. A person who failed in love will not want another person to fail in love because he knows that pain. That's the reason I told him that I have a problem in my love and met him. That was my first lie. The person who Ramana shot, I made him an important character in my story. I made him Anjana's father. I convinced him by telling him my story. I used all the elements which were in front of my eyes and made up the whole story. I spoke in a manner which made him believe every single word. He didn't doubt me. She was born for me. Her name was Anjana. I know, one day or the other, the police will shoot Ramana. That's the reason I want him to surrender to the police as soon as possible. If he does that, he'll be safe. After he spends his days in the jail, when he comes out, he can lead a happy and new life. That's the reason I'm doing all this. I want my brother back. I'm worried for him.
Arjun, see me! Come on, see me! Arjun! Arjun! Arjun, come on!
Brother?
Till date, I haven't done anything to my brother. When he open his eyes, tell him that I have surrendered. Else, tell your brother has surrendered.
You are so lucky. You escaped. Go.
Oh my god, get the chief doctor soon. It's getting critical.
Ma'am, it's the dead end, ma'am. Marriage hall is nearby, ma'am.
Hey, that's it,
Super
man.
shot! Super shot!
This breeze is very bad for the health. Take him and go inside. Go fast. Hey Minal, you can get married to my elder son. I'm saying the truth. He's wrote a letter. Here, take a look at it.
My regards and greetings to my mother, whom I love very much. Only 27 days are left for me to see you. I do not want to stand before you as a criminal who is going to jail. That is why all these years I did not want anyone to come and see me. Hey!
As soon as I come, for all the mistakes that I have done, you can hit me as long as you want, Mom. You can use any words you want to, but at the end, you have to forgive me, Ma, for what I did.
That's enough, my mother. Which brother have treated as an enemy? Because of him only I'm alive now. If he is not there, Mumbai police would have encountered me here.
Tell Dad, his elder son is on the way.
Regards, Ramana.
Hey Selvi,
Huh?
you're repeating the letter word for word. You have it all memorized, is it? You think I'm a jobless person? Look at you. Here.
My son, she has read your brother's letter 97 times.
Hey, catch the ball, hey, catch it.
Hey, no, no,
Hey, catch it.
Don't miss that.
Oh, sorry.
God.
I'm sorry.
Hey, idiot! Don't you have eyes? Gone. Everything is gone. You're such an idiot. I bought this gift so lovingly for my friend's marriage and you've broken it. I searched for this.
Don't cry. I'll make it all right. Give me some time. The marriage hall is close by. See? I'll fix the head. Just give me a minute. I'll stick it and get it back. Keep walking. I'll come and give it to you. Okay?